chorus for justice for Abhaya is growing by each passing day. Doctors across the nation are on the streets protesting against the brutal rape and murder of 31-year-old Abhaya. Amid this, a CFSL team from Delhi has reached Kolkata to conduct psychological tests of the prime accused, Sanjay Roy. The tests will help understand the criminal mindset of Sanjay. Meanwhile, Indian Medical Association wrote to Prime Minister Modi demanding his intervention in the case. IMA also demanded compensation for victims' families, speedy probe and better working conditions for resident doctors to ensure their safety. However, Centre has promised to form a security panel to ensure safety of healthcare workers. A petition has been filed in the Supreme Court seeking removal of victims' pictures from all the social media platforms. The petition says that revealing victims' identity is affecting her family. Nirbhaya's mother has also joined the chorus for justice, condemning the rape horror. She said, and I quote, "We are still living in 2012.
जो बच्ची के साथ घटना हुई है, उसके साथ जो दरिंदगी हुई है, जो भी मुजरिम उसमें शामिल है, एक है या एक से ज्यादा है, उनको जल्द से जल्द पकड़ा जाए। कहते हैं कि डॉक्टर भगवान होते हैं। अगर हॉस्पिटल के अंदर खुद जहां वो ड्यूटी पे है और वहां वो सुरक्षित नहीं है, तो आप आम महिलाएं और बच्ची के लिए क्या सोच सकते हैं। जब भी कोई घटना होता है, निर्भया का नाम आता है, लेकिन निर्भया की घटना से, उसके मौत से हमने क्या सीखा है? हमारे सिस्टम में क्या बदलाव आया? हमारे कानून में जो भी बदलाव उस पे काम का क्या हुआ? आज भी हम 2012 में ही खड़े हैं।
I'm going to go back to my colleague Ritik Mandal, who's tracking the story live from Kolkata. Ritik, you know, the centre has been doubling down when it comes to the law and order situation in West Bengal, and the MHA also issued an order over a 2-hourly report for all the states to send to the centre. Give us more details on that.
Definitely, states' intervention in this matter is very important, but we know that now, they are seeking for a detailed report over this issue, and a lot of things are happening. But we know that some committee also wrote to the Prime Minister seeking intervention. So, what we see that the centre is closely monitoring the development with regards to this matter, and pressures are only mounting on the state government because there are a lot of things being happen now. But we know that this Home Ministry is seeking a report from the administration and the authority, and there are pressure we do see that are mounting on the CBI to speed up the investigations. And people over here, I spoke to them even last night, the protesting doctors and many across the length of breadth of the society, they all demanding justice and want a speedy, justice or a speedy investigation. They want to know whether it was a solo crime, the Sanjay Roy, who has been arrested as of now, as police claim that he was as of now, all evidence, circumstantial evidences, and what they have got was suggesting that this man was the only one behind this crime, who had a very close relation to the Kolkata police, and of course having closeness to several cops, and it was appointed by the police for the welfare committee of the police at the Arjikar hospital. So whether this man is the only perpetrator behind this
Right.
heinous crime, or there was some other involvement. So these are things that people want to know, which is why possibly CBI is taking all kind of thing, and special team have been sent to Kolkata to speed up this inquiry. Back to you.
Right. Thanks, Ritik, for bringing us all those details.